guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glambykiki. Welcome if you are new. Hello, hi. Today's video is going to be on these two new products that just launched. They're eyeshadow palettes, which I created this look with today. So it's the Alyssa Edwards palette and the Morphe Make Life Colorful palette. Since they launched, I was like, let me just grab both of them. I wanted to create two separate videos to review the products in, but I felt like that made kind of no sense because it's just like they're both colorful and I wanted to try them all at the same time. You know how it is if you're a makeup junkie, you want to try everything all at once, and I figured why not just mash it up into one video. So that's what I did. So I love both of these palettes equally so far. I love the palette from Alyssa Edwards in collaboration with Anastasia because of the beautiful colors, and this is the first kind of like eyeshadow palette that they made in collaboration with someone who's in the beautiful world of drag, and I feel like it's very appropriate being that it's Pride Month this month of June, and I just love all the colors. I love how it's so beautiful and vibrant, but you can still create like natural looks and you got your pop of colors. I love it. Also, I love the Morphe palette just for the simple fact that 100 of the proceeds that's made towards this launch is going to the Trevor campaign. If you guys don't know what the Trevor campaign is, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can get up to speed and just get involved into a good cause. And especially with beauty and a good cause mixed together is definitely wonderful magic that happens. And I felt that I wanted to spend my money right this time, and I did. I get a bomb look and supporting a cause at the same time. It's always an amazing feeling. So I'll leave the links down below. And yeah, so if you guys also want to know how I created this look, then continue watching so you can get this same glamorous look with these palettes. And yeah, we'll see if you want to buy them or not. Let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts on these products and if you're buying them or not. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're liking it. Don't forget to click that notification bell so every time I upload you are notified, and go ahead and like, share, and comment. Leave your comments down below. I love reading you guys' comments and commenting back, so make sure you are doing that so I can answer you back, and whatever questions you have for me or whatever suggestions of videos and all that jazz, you let me know. I will always be in the comments down below, so make sure you do that. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so the two eyeshadow palettes that I will be reviewing and demoing today for this colorful look, in honor of Pride Month, I decided to do this beautiful colorful look with two palettes that just recently launched this month, which I'm super excited to try out on camera for you guys and give you my honest review and opinions and all that jazz. Is the Alyssa Edwards and Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration palette, which I'm super stoked about, and the Morphe Making Life Colorful palette, which is so beautiful, and their hashtag is Make Life Colorful, which is perfect for the month of June, being that it's Pride Month. I might as well get out of my comfort zone and just get colorful with you guys. So I decided, since it was just like, okay, I want to test both of these out, but I don't want to do two separate videos, why not just mash both of them up in one video and you guys get to see my honest review and opinions and see if you guys may want to purchase them or not as well. For creating this colorful eye, I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow primer that recently launched from ABH. So this product claims to be water resistant in a light colored base that creates perfect canvas for matte and shimmer eyeshadows as well as pressed pigments. So you can honestly wear any type of eyeshadow formula or finish, and this eye primer is promised to keep it water resistant and keep your eyeshadow on for hours. So let's go ahead and put it to the test, and let's see how it manages through the day. And I got the mini, which is $13, and then the full size, it's going to be $23. So the mini has 0.24 fluid ounce, so it's 7 milliliters. So this will be enough for, I would at least say, a month and a half. I'm gonna go ahead and start carving out this shape, so I can go ahead and start layering colors on. So I'm gonna continue sketching a little over my crease to create that half, not that half cut crease, but I'm gonna do a complete cut crease, and I'm gonna wing it out. So like, I'm just going over, and then hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing, because it's better looking at it than explaining it, because I can't explain shit. So just watch me while I go ahead and create this little magic or whatever. So I did this look. Well, not that I did this look, but I attempted this eye look like a few days back on Insta. I'll pop up a picture right over here, or a video, so you guys can see. I completely like just went ham one night after working out, and I was just like, why not do a video on it now? I mean, I took pictures and I created the look, but I never documented it for you guys. So I figured why not do it today. My Alyssa Edwards and Anastasia shadow palette, and as you can see, it's so beautiful. Look at all these beautiful colors. So I'm gonna go in with Brick Road, which is this bright yellow, which I am in love with. I'm gonna go ahead and take that on a brush. Oh, look at the pigment on this. Like, I'm so, oh yes. I don't know if it's catching on camera, but look how bright and beautiful this yellow is so far. I'm gonna go in with the pink color. Texas Made, right over here. Right here. Yes, look at this color. I love this color so much. I like the yellow and the pink right next to each other. Makes me think of like pink lemonade. But I love how pigmented this palette is, especially for mattes. Like, oh, it can be easily chalky and like not as pigmented, but these pigments are freaking everything. We're gonna go in with Believe, which is this purple right over here, right there. Place it just like that. So there is a lot of pigment, well, not a lot of pigment, well, it is a lot of pigment, but there is a lot of fallout on this palette from the onto the eyeshadow, and some on the that falls out onto the skin, which is a-okay for me. It's not like a big deal, because the more pigment, the more fallout. But if that bothers you, you may not like this palette. But if it doesn't bother you and you like a lot of pigment, then by all means go ahead and play with it. But just this, you know, like a FYI, if you are doing eyes, make sure you do like colorful eyes like this. Make sure you are doing your eyes first and then the rest of your makeup, so you don't mess up your makeup after you, well, while doing your eyes. I'm gonna go in with Dream It, which is this beautiful cobalt blue, like royal blue, like a very deep blue, which is really nice. Well, bright blue, I should say. It's such a beautiful color, and I'm gonna take it on a more precise and smaller brush. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending it from the middle of the purple, well not the middle, the ending of the purple, and just start building it up. Just like that. Blending them with no color added to them. Just like this. Before putting any bright color underneath the lower lash line, you always want to prime the same way you did on the top. So I'm going to take a little bit more of this eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to go ahead and start slapping it on. Nature, which is this beautiful green. Right over here. Called Life in this palette, right over here. Putting it towards the end. And I'm just mixing it into the greeny a little bit. Take Milk, which is this bright matte white, and I'm gonna go ahead and just place a little bit in the inner corner. Take Liberation, which is a shimmer white. It's a shimmer white, so it has very with like blue, greens, and gold shimmer in it, so it's more of like an iridescent. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the middle, in the center, not the center, on the outer corner, and work it way into the lower lash line. So once you're done with your eye look, just like this, you want to go ahead and make sure you coat on some mascara, and then put on your lash, or you can go ahead and put on a wing liner if you feel more comfortable with a wing liner added to this look. But I'm gonna go ahead and go without any liner. I want the eyes to completely be the main focal point of this look, so I don't want anything to take away from it, but it is optional if you want to add a liner to this look. Completely okay. Highlight my brow bone. Use my Artist Couture Illuminati highlight on my eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight right underneath my brow bone just so it can add an extra pop. Now I'm gonna go in with my Damn Girl mascara, which is from Too Faced, which is one of their newest launches as well. Done. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Lilly lashes in the style Miami, which are my absolute fave from her line. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my blush from the Mrs. West collection. It's called Flower Wall. So I wanted something very subtle on the cheeks, nothing too crazy, because you don't want to end up looking like a clown if you put too much blush or anything too harsh on the cheeks. So I'm just going ahead and just dusting on a little bit of blushy blush. Forever highlight, which I absolutely love. Ooh, if you can only see it from here, girl. Illuminati from Artist Couture, which is my favorite, my first babies. Love, love, love these highlights because they literally give you an out of this world kind of glow. For lips, I'm keeping it super simple. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with a lip liner. It's Huda Beauty's Spice Girl, and I'm taking the Fenty gloss in Fussy, just jazzing that up a little bit. So this is the completed look, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a different top so I can sit down and explain to you guys what are my opinions, my thoughts on both of these palettes, and give my honest review so you guys can determine whether you guys want to buy it or not. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. I'm gonna go ahead, before closing out this video, give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions on both of these palettes, the Alyssa Edwards and the Morphe palette. So I want to start off with the Alyssa Edwards one. I love, love, love this packaging. not only the packaging I love, I also love the colors inside of this palette, just for the simple fact that I can create any kind of look without having to go into another palette. And I like that there's bold colors. I like that there's more matte than shimmer, because it's always a good palette when there's a lot of mattes, because you get to create, and then shimmers and glitters you can always like find in any other palette or the ones that they have here. So I love how pigmented, and the quality is just overall amazing. And I do like the price point. So all Anastasia palettes are between $42 to $45. So this one is $45 and it's Glambykiki approved. So this will be a staple in my kit, in my makeup looks. So you guys will be seeing a lot of this palette. Now for the Morphe palette. This one is Make Life Colorful. I love the fact that Morphe has paired up with the Trevor Project, and 100% of the proceeds from this collection that they just launched will be donated to the Trevor Project in celebration of to help fund the 24/7 suicide prevention and crisis intervention services for the LGBTQ plus youth community. Like, how beautiful is that? Too, if I were to pick to go towards a palette the most, it would be the Alyssa Edwards, just for the simple fact that this one for me has a lot more pigment and I get a lot of color payoff. And even though the con of this palette is the fallout, but it does not bother me, because I'm a makeup artist. I can just go ahead and fix it up and just do my face makeup all over again. And if not, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my eyes first and then my face makeup. But I definitely will go towards this one more than the Morphe. But that does not mean that I will not be using this palette. I will for sure be using this palette as well, because I love the color range, and I love that there's mattes and there's shimmers. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite palette, and have you used it, and if you're purchasing any of these two. Let me know in the comments down below as well which palette is your favorite and which one will you be buying. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some slow-mos for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys love this video. I loved making it for you guys. Love you.